Hello viewers, in this video I'll show how to fix Messenger No GIF to show problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Tap on Hold Messenger, click on App Info, tap on Storage and Cache, tap on Clear Storage, tap on Delete. Swipe down notification panel, turn on flight mode or airplane mode, just few seconds. Check internet connection on your phone and go to Play Store. Click on search bar and search Messenger. Update Messenger app if available on Play Store or App Store. Now open on Messenger. Messenger GIF not showing, problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.